That does it. Wow, that was not easy. So I've got a 40-pound weight vest. The push-ups, normally I probably could do 80 push-ups, but with a 40-pound vest, it limits me to around 25 to 30. I do as many as I can, and I go immediately to this exercise. This is similar to a pull down. When you're seated and doing a tricep pull down, except you switch everything around when you have a weight vest on. Give me a minute, I gotta catch my breath. Then I'll talk about how this is done. All right, hold on. Okay, with this exercise, what I'm doing with push-ups and making them weighted is I'm just switching everything around. Normally when a person can bench press, you may be able to bench press 300 pounds 12 times. But how is it that a person cannot put a 40-pound weight vest on their back and do 30 reps? Because the muscles, you're using the same muscles, just you're switching the origin and insertion points. Basically, you're switching them around. So you have to work the muscles from both angles. A lot of times when a person has a weakness, it's because they're only working the muscles from one direction or one side, and they're not putting the weight, so they're working the origin of the muscle, so that part of the muscle gets weaker. So I'm now just strengthening the overall muscle. And doing these push-ups, this is a push-up counter. It keeps count. And every time I touch, there's a beep. So it lets me know it's a good repetition going down. So each one, it counts the reps here. There's a rep counter here. And when I down and touch, that's a good rep. That's up. Now I'm not sure how straight my arms are, guys, but this is as straight as my arms goes. I get a lot of guys talking about, well, you're not extending all the way. I can't get any straighter than that. So that's my top position, that's bottom. And I just continue in that. Immediately I go from there to the next exercise here, which is similar to a pull down. Again, a person can do 250 pounds on a pull down and do 12, 15 reps. But with a 40-pound vest, they can't do 12, 15. It's because you're working again the opposite part of the muscle. When you're doing pull downs, you're working on the origin, and when you're doing these, pulling your body up, you're working on the insertion. The same muscle, but you're working kind of like the part that's weaker. And when you want to get stronger, you got to strengthen the muscle from all sides. So with this, I basically take a position, extend out as far as I can, and just bring it up to my chest touches. That's my point. Chest touches. That's a difficult exercise, but you're working the muscle overall. And I'll do 4 sets of those. I may do these at the beginning of a workout or the end of a workout. 4 sets of push-ups, 4 sets of the pull-ups, and that's gonna do it for the chest. That's all for today, guys. Work hard, keep pushing, make today awesome.